I'm a big fan of Apple AirTags. I'm always losing or misplacing my stuff. However, with these AirTags, I can easily remember where I parked my car or where I left my laptop or keys. However, one thing I don't like about the AirTags is the short battery life. They usually last 8 to 12 months. However, my friends told me about this product here. It's a special device that will extend the battery life on your AirTags. They're called time capsules and they're made by Elevation Labs. They can increase your battery life up to 10 years. The user manual was well written and easy to understand. The product is sold in packs of 1, 2, or 4. Since I have so many AirTags, I got the 4-pack. One thing I like about these is that they're pretty small. They're the size of a small remote, which makes them easy to hide. The first thing you want to do is remove the battery from your original Apple AirTag. Once you remove the cover, you want to put the white portion onto the time capsule. Put it over the silver spot that looks like a button battery. The time capsule device uses AA batteries. If you use lithium batteries, you don't have to worry about changing them out for up to 10 years. You can also use rechargeable batteries. They won't last 10 years, but they will be longer than the standard Apple AirTag batteries. The manufacturer does not recommend the use of alkaline batteries because they have a habit of leaking over time. Once the Apple AirTag and batteries are in place, tighten the cover with the security screws. It's also rated IP69, so it's waterproof and ultra durable. The last step is to link the AirTag with your iCloud account. Use the Find My app on your mobile device and give the AirTag a name and an emoji. Once the AirTag is associated with your account, you don't have to worry about it running out of batteries. And because of the protective casing, the sound from the AirTag is 2/3 of the original casing, making it more difficult for thieves to find your time capsule. There's also no markings on it, so it's very discreet looking.